जैकलीन से कौन कुछ पूछना चाहेगा? मैम, इनको दीजिए. Jack,
Yes.
lean on her.
Yes. Where are you? Hi. My question to you is, how is Houseful 3 different from Houseful 2?
Are you a fan or a journalist? You're a fan? Oh, so sweet. They're very smart fans. How is Houseful 2 different from Houseful 3? Well, maybe Akshay can help me with that, but the stories are completely different, first of all. There are a lot of the same characters that you will be seeing in Houseful 3, actor-wise, but we're all playing very different characters. And in terms of the story, it's a completely different story. But be rest assured that I can probably guarantee you'll laugh a lot more in Houseful 3.
Okay, thank you.
Because there's a lot more craziness.
जैकलीन, आपसे सवाल है कि आपको किस तरह की फिल्में पसंद है, कॉमिक स्टाइल में, या आपको सबसे फेवरेट
हॉरर फिल्म्स पसंद है ने?
I actually do like horror films a lot.
Yeah.
And I
हम लोग जब लंदन में शूटिंग कर रहे थे, रोज रात को ये एक हॉरर फिल्म देखने जाती थी अकेले.
Sneak.
Yeah.
Exorcist.
Hi, hello. This is Janki from Bollywood Helpline.
Bollywood Helpline?
Yes.
It's a helpline for us.
It's an online.
सर हमारे पैसे नहीं है, Bollywood Helpline को फोन लगाओ. माने all the guild, impa, vimpa, सब nothing. Now Bollywood Helpline. Are you genuinely a helpline or
yes,
it's just a name?
It's a Bollywood Helpline. It's a name.
It's a name.
Yes.
माने काम तो कुछ नहीं करते हो ऐसे?
क्या आपके लिए काम करते हैं?
क्या?
आपकी फिल्म के बारे में बताते रहते हैं ऑडियंस को ऑनलाइन.
It's a great name.
Oh, it's not like a helpline.
It's a helpline to the audience where they tell the audience about the film, whether to watch the film or not. They help the audience.
Acha, I thought it was like a 1-800 number kind of, you know, call Bollywood Helpline.
Bollywood Helpline. मेरी फिल्म नहीं चल रही.
क्या कर रहे हैं? कुछ करिए आप लोग. हाँ जी, पूछिए.
Okay, my question is for Jacqueline. आपको एज अ किक गर्ल जाना चाहता है, ठीक है, और अभी एकदम रोमांटिक जॉनर से हाउसफुल 3 में कॉमेडी जॉनर में आना आपके लिए क्या मतलब क्या डिफरेंस है उन दोनों के बीच?
Romantic comedy से I think Houseful तक it's a huge difference obviously. Here in Houseful 3 I got to explore the genre of comedy, along with Akshay, Abhishek, Chunky, Ritesh, my 2 female co-stars, Nargis and Lisa, and Jaguda, like so many different actors. Sajid Farhad. Yeah, it goes on. Sajid Nadiadwala. I mean, just to get that up. I said Lisa and Nargis. Anyone else?
But you're part
Jenny.
You're
Jenny
part
was
of 1,
also
2, and 3. So.
Yes, Vicky. Who's Rakesh Malhotra now?
It's written.
Okay, oops. He's obviously someone. Sorry, sorry, Rakesh. But yeah, it's amazing just as an actor to be able to do
Deepika Lal.
The different.
Okay. Answer.
Thank you.
Last question लेंगे.
I don't know if you'll agree with me, but sometimes when someone trips and falls or unconsciously does something or by accident hits their head, sometimes we naturally tend to like laugh at that. And it's human instinct. We just forget that we become kids again, we just laugh. And that's actually what slapstick is. And to replicate that on the big screen, like Akshay said, it's very difficult for an actor. So slapstick is not something that we're forcing on you as a humor. We naturally tend to laugh sometimes at silly things that don't even make sense, but we do laugh at them. So,
as Jacqueline said, I must say to trip and fall. Like how many people can actually trip and fall, and when you see it in the camera, it should look like it's a real. Can you do it, sir? Come. Come. You and I will do it. I'll do it first.
Yeah, see, Akshay
come, sir.
It's so difficult to pretend to trip.
एक सवाल और आप सभी से है
नहीं ये पलटिए मत बात को, इधर आइए ना, इधर आइए. Come be a sport.
एक सवाल आप सभी से कि फेवरेट बॉलीवुड में कॉमिक एक्टर्स आप सभी के कौन-कौन है बॉलीवुड वाले?
क्या?
हिंदी सिनेमा में बेस्ट कॉमिक एक्टर्स कौन लगते हैं आप सभी को?
आपके अगल-बगल.
महमूद साहब.
संजीव कुमार साहब.
Sanjeev Kumar as a comic actor?
Yeah, he's a comic actor. He has done comedy, so many films. Have you seen it, sir? Angur है उनकी film और उनकी.
But he was not a comedian.
But you didn't ask comedian. You said comic actor.
Okay.
And why do we have to classify an actor as a comedian or a normal actor? The actor is an actor, bhai. I think it's correct to just because I think It's a bit derogatory, na? Any actor who can do a comic role doesn't become a comedian.
Yeah.
I don't think that's
Comedians
correct to
stand
classify
on
like
stage
them.
and tell jokes.
मुझे लगता है I think now a comedy film should get an Oscar award या National Award या Filmfare Award फिर मजा आ
No,
जाए.
but hello, in Hollywood, they did discuss this, and why aren't comedy films actually getting Oscars?
You know, let's ask somebody.
Jacqueline.
Ah, okay, you're like
Yeah.
blinding. Okay.
Hi, this is Sandesh. I'm from Zoom. Jacqueline, मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि इस फिल्म में फीमेल लीड्स के साथ आपके साथ को-स्टार्स फीमेल को-स्टार्स भी बहुत हैं, 2 हैं आई मीन. सो यूजुअली फिल्मों में को-एक्टर्स अगर लाइक 3 एक्ट्रेसेस 3 रहेंगे तो थोड़ा like there's a possibility कि chemistry नहीं उनका like they don't get along on the sets. So how was it for you in this movie to work
I find
with?
it really funny that that question is always asked to the girls and never to the guys.
Yeah, because
But
I
why
Good point.
Why isn't it asked to the guys?
because usually it has been like female co-stars
How
don't
do you
get
know?
along. Because that is what like mostly reports come that female co-stars don't get along.
Who
That
makes
is
the
what-
reports?
Who did that?
Journalists.
Zoom. इसे मत देखो.
No, it's nothing like that. I think we all get along very well. We know exactly who we're going to be working with, and yeah, we were extremely, blessed, and we had the most amazing time working on this film. All of us had a great time promoting this film as well, working together as a team. And yeah, there's no time. I think people are very consumed doing their own thing nowadays, that there's really no time to actually even concentrate on, others and have that kind of focus. Yeah, sure.
Sorry, what's your name, sir? Huh? Sandesh. Okay, Sandesh, what happens is, it's not that people don't get along, okay? By and large, I've been working now for 16 years. I've grown up in this industry, and I've never really seen many people who don't get along. But having said that, when you're doing a film and you're spending, 50 to 100 days with somebody day in and day out, you're going to have a disagreement here and there about your work. Jackie might have a way of doing a scene which I might have a different way, but you discuss that. So there's never really, I've never experienced any major fight or some sort of, disagreement between actors in general. So I think that's an incorrect thing that has come out of the film industry. I know it's been around, but also you have to look upon it like this. Everybody's an individual. You're day in, day out. I mean, I'm sure, do you not disagree with somebody in your office? You might have a different way of maybe filing a story or something. So that's about it. But that's all healthy. It's important to have these kind of disagreements on set because that's how you grow then.